Hello everyone, this is Jorge Balboa and this is the second part of the regular verbs conjugation. I hope you have enjoyed the first part, the verbs ending in R. This is the second part. We're going to learn about the verbs ending in er. ER. Okay, let's begin. This is Hablar en Español, Spanish from zero, where you can learn Spanish from the beginning. Okay, so let's start with regular verbs conjugations ending in er. Okay, if you haven't done, remember watching the first video, the regular verbs ending in AR. Okay, I'm going to put the link in the description so you can find this video. So here are some examples of the regular verbs ending in er: aprender, leer, responder. All of them, when they are conjugated, they change in the same way. That's why they are regular verbs. Okay, for example, here you can see I'm conjugating with the pronoun tú. Tú aprendes, tú lees, tú respondes. And in the three examples, you can see there is a similar thing in the end. Both of them finishes with es. Okay, that's what happens in the conjugation with regular verbs. Here you can see another example, another verb, the verb correr. Correr. When we conjugate it, what we have to do and what we have to do with whatever regular verb is we take off the last two letters, in this case, and we're going to add a different letter or pair of letters depending on the pronoun that we are using in this conjugation. For example, corro, it would be the conjugation with yo. Corremos, it would be the conjugation with nosotros. Nosotros corremos. Okay, here you can see a chart explaining the way that we conjugate the verbs, how the ending letters of the verb changes depending of the pronoun, the pronombre that we are using. Okay, as you remember, in the last video we learned about ar and the conjugations. Okay, here you can see. I don't know if you noticed, but there is something that is really similar in both conjugations, the conjugations for are and the conjugations for er. Okay, as you can see, they are really similar. The only thing that we do is that we change instead the a, we use a in Spanish. Okay, but it's the same. For example, yo finishes with o, tú finishes with s or as, depending on the kind of verb. And the same way, all of them, just change the a for e, la a por e. Okay, so this is gonna be really simple. So let's see an example, the verb comer, eat, how we can conjugate it. Here's the first conjugation: yo como. The next one, can you do it? Tú comes. Very good. The next one, could you do it? Él, ella o eso come. Él come. The next one, nosotros or nosotras comemos. Nosotras comemos. Ustedes comen. Ellos or ellas comen. It's the same thing like ustedes, ellos, it's the same. Vosotros, vosotros coméis. Y vos comés. Okay? So that's the way that we conjugate. It's really, really simple. Okay, here are some other examples of regular verbs that you can use: aprender, beber, comprender, and all of them change in the same way. I really invite you to download the exercise that I made for practicing this conjugation. Okay, the practice is going to help you to learn this kind of conjugation. Okay, so you won't ever need a chart. Okay, in Spanish there is a saying, we say la práctica hace al maestro, and I think that it's really, really true. Practice makes the teacher. And that's it. I hope you have enjoyed the second part of the regular verbs conjugation. Please let me your comments if you have one, or let me your examples. I would be really pleased to see your examples and tell you my opinion about them. If you really want to learn Spanish, book a lesson with me. You will find the link on the description. See you in the next video about the regular verbs conjugation ending in IR. Ir. Bye.